Welcome, dear viewers, to a captivating journey into the world of water fountain ideas. Get ready to immerse yourselves in a symphony of design inspiration, where the soothing sounds of flowing water meet the artistry of fountain craftsmanship. Whether you're seeking to transform your outdoor oasis or enhance your indoor sanctuary, you're about to discover a fountain of creativity that will elevate your space to new levels of beauty and tranquility. So, sit back, relax, and let the flowing waters of imagination guide you through a visual feast of water fountain possibilities. Let's dive in. Certainly, here are some water fountain decoration ideas that can add charm and beauty to indoor and outdoor spaces. Tabletop Zen Garden Fountain. Create a serene corner with a small tabletop fountain surrounded by sand, stones, and miniature plants. This can be a perfect addition to your office desk or a calming corner at home. Bird Bath Fountain. Transform a traditional bird bath into a gentle water fountain by adding a small pump that circulates water. Birds will appreciate the fresh water, and it will add a lovely touch to your garden. Floating Candle Fountain. Fill a shallow basin with water and place floating candles on its surface. As the candles gently move with the water's movement, they create a magical and soothing ambience, especially in the evening. Terracotta Pot Fountain. Stack terracotta pots of varying sizes, allowing water to trickle down from the top pot to the bottom one. You can paint the pots for added visual interest. Bamboo Water Spout. Install a bamboo spout that pours water into a basin below. This rustic and natural look works well in garden settings. Wall-mounted cascade. Attach a series of small pots, pans, or bowls to a wall or fence, allowing water to flow from one to the next. This creates an artistic and dynamic water feature. Recirculating water wall art. Create a vertical water wall using a frame with a mesh or grill. Water can flow down the surface, creating a mesmerizing visual and auditory experience. Garden fountain with planters. Combine a fountain with planters for a multifunctional decorative element. Water can flow into a central basin surrounded by potted plants. Vintage water pump fountain. Repurpose an old-fashioned water pump as a fountain feature. Water can be pumped through the spout and collected in a basin below. Stone cairn fountain. Stack smooth, flat stones on top of each other to form a cairn-like structure. Water can gently trickle down from the top stone, creating a harmonious blend of nature and water. Shell and seashore fountain. Decorate your fountain with seashells, driftwood, and beach-inspired elements. This works well for coastal or nautical-themed decor. Fairy tale mushroom. Multicolor LED lights. Enhance the ambience by adding LED lights that change colors beneath the water's surface. This creates a visually captivating effect, especially at night. Rock and pebble mosaic fountain. Arrange colorful rocks and pebbles in intricate patterns within the fountain's basin. The water can gently flow over these patterns, showcasing their beauty. When decorating with water fountains, consider the overall style of your space, the materials used, and the maintenance requirements. Whether you're aiming for a rustic, modern, or whimsical look, there are plenty of creative ways to incorporate water fountains into your decor. Water fountains play a significant role in interior and exterior decor. Overall, water fountains elevate decor by engaging multiple senses, instilling movement, providing a point of focus, expanding visual dimensions, and evoking positive emotions. Before you go, dear viewers, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button, sharing this video with friends and family, and of course, subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. Your engagement fuels our passion to keep creating, so thank you, and remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.